In this video, I am going to tell about the foundation of English language. Hello my dear learners, welcome back to this channel. I am Rakesh and I have been a learner. As we all know that in this channel I have started the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice for Beginners. In this series, I also focus on speaking practice and I allow myself to speak English correctly or incorrectly. Now let's move on today's topic. So guys, in this video I am going to tell about some techniques to learn and improve English language, and I also going to share with you the foundation of English language. Of course, you know well, foundation is the most important part of building. When it comes to learning English language, in which to know about foundation is necessary and essential things to learn English language. So guys, let's know the foundation of English language and let's talk about the foundation. In previous videos I have already discussed the 4 weapons and 4 basic skills. With help you can easily learn and improve English language, and not only English, I talk about any other language. To learn any language there are 4 basic skills, that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. These 4 weapons help a lot to your learning English language. Guys, as a foundation of English, in these 4 skills, there are 2 most important as an input: listening and reading skills. These 2 weapons, these 2 skills, that is the foundation of English language. Without listening and reading, you cannot be fluent in English language. So guys, listening is the first step and as a foundation which is most important part of your language. So guys, I would like to suggest you will have to focus on, first of all, listening skill. Then after you can start a speaking skill, that is outcome of listening skill. You know, the more you listen, the more you speak. So listening is the input of your speaking skills. So guys, if I talk about writing skill, before enhancing writing skill, you will have to focus on reading. So reading is the input writing skill. Writing skill is the outcome of your reading skills. Well, dear learners, remember these two basic skills, these two weapons, that is listening and reading skills. This is the foundation of your English language, and if you focus on listening skills, you will be better in speaking skill. Similarly, if you focus on reading skills, you will be good at writing skills. You know, the more you read, the more you write also. If you want to learn English language, you will have to focus on these four weapons, these four basic skills, that is I have already told about in previous videos. So guys, if you want to speak English only, before this you will have to focus on only listening skill. So guys, you don't need to focus on grammar rules, sentence structure, only focus on listening skill if you want to speak English language. And those people who want to write English and they want to improve their writing skills, for this they will have to focus on reading skills. Thus, reading and listening skills as an input of English language, and speaking and writing skills are outcome of, that is output as a English language. And I want to say that one more thing, the more you revise, the more you memorize also. Repetition makes you perfect. You know the power of repetition. Repetition is the key to success.